Good morning, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today's recipe is a quick and easy cheese dip. It can be made in 5 minutes with just 5 ingredients. It's so delicious and you can enjoy it with some carrot, cucumber, or celery sticks, or even some chips and crackers. So, shall we proceed to make this easy peasy dip? Quick and easy cheese dip made in minutes with just few ingredients. It's very delicious and makes a perfect appetizer for the party. You can serve it with some carrot, celery, or cucumber strips, or even some crackers. My personal favorite is celery. So crunchy and yummy. To make the cheese dip, we'll require cheese 75 grams. I've taken 3 cubes of 25 grams each. You can even take grated cheese. Butter 20 grams. All purpose flour or maida 1 teaspoon. Smoked paprika half teaspoon. You could use the normal paprika also. And milk 120 ml. You can check out the list also in the description box. Now heat a pan. Once it is hot, reduce the flame and melt the butter. Now the entire process has to be done on low flame. Initially you just make the pan hot and then melt the butter on low flame. Now add the paprika. Even if you don't have the normal paprika, you can add 2 pinches of red chili powder or Kashmiri chili powder. Now stir everything with a spatula till it is mixed very well. Add the flour. Saute it. It's very little quantity, so keep stirring everything nicely. You can see after a little while it starts to bubble and you will get a little different aroma also. At this stage you add the milk. Again continue to stir. Just these ingredients, nothing else goes into this dip, and it's so delicious. Such quick recipes are really very handy when you are entertaining. It takes less than 5 minutes to make it. You can see now it's beginning to thicken a bit. Remember, flame is low still. Now add the cheese. This is soft cheese, so it will melt very quickly. If you are adding grated cheese, that's perfect also. Because this soft cheese cubes, when you grate, they stick to the grater. Friends, do subscribe the channel if you have not done so that you don't miss out all my recipes. You will be notified whenever I post a video. Now break the cheese with the spatula so that it melts quickly. What we'll do is cover the lid and leave it for some time. Now it is soft and you can easily mash it with the spatula. If you wish to add anything else, some herbs or seasonings, you can go ahead and add. But this dip is just quite nice without the addition of anything. You can add some oregano, basil, or pizza seasoning. You can add chili flakes because paprika is not spicy at all. It just gives that smoky flavor to this dip. It's done. As simple as that. The dip is ready. dish it out immediately, because if you leave it in the pan it will thicken. It stays good in the refrigerator for a couple of days also. So leftovers can be had the next day. I prefer it fresh, so I make it in small quantities so that I finish everything on the same day. Quick and easy cheese dip to serve in parties. You can enjoy it with vegetables like celery and carrots. I love this dip with celery, so crunchy, and the celery flavors are also very nice and different. Can you hear that crunchiness? Wow, amazing. Apart from carrots and celery, you can also serve this dip with some crackers or bread fingers, some chips, variety of chips. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. I'm sure you will love it. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, you check out these videos from the archives. Bye. Take care.